Ableton's Echo is a versatile modulation delay effect that adds depth and dynamics to your soundscapes. With two independent delay lines, it gives you full control over stereo, ping pong, or mid-side modes, offering options for sync delays or freeform timings. Feedback controls let you loop audio or invert signals for evolving textures, while the input section adds distortion for extra grit. The Echo tab's tunnel visualization provides an intuitive way to tweak delay times and filter settings with adjustable high-pass and low-pass filters for tonal shaping. In the Modulation tab, the LFO creates rhythmic variations with 6 waveforms, and the Envelope Follower reacts to your input for dynamic modulation. Mod Delay and Mod Filter enhance movement and add character. The Character tab introduces vintage imperfections with noise and wobble, ducking to clear space for your input, and a gate for tighter control. Repitch adds classic tape-style pitch shifts when adjusting delay times. Reverb, stereo width, and output controls complete the package, making Echo perfect for everything from enhancing vocals to crafting intricate soundscapes. Want to master Ableton? Comment Ableton below and we'll DM you a link to our free Ableton Live tools and resources.